Welcome. Introduction to Explorer. This is a title bar used to resize the Explorer. This is a maximize button used to maximize the window. This is a minimize button used to minimize the window. These are Windows installation drives. This is a address bar which shows the current location of the program. The folder and search option shows various options to open a folder in the window. This is user library and hard disk drive. This is a network place which is used to change your network settings. This is a status bar which shows the current status of the open window. This is a search box which is used to search any file or folder. This shows different style of icons.